Hello everyone, welcome back to our international business course. Today's topic is something that goes beyond just making profit. Is it about doing business the right way, even when operating across different cultural and legal systems? We're going to talk about ethnic and corporate social responsibility, or CSR in international business. Why is it this important? Because unethical practice may damage company reputation, hurt local communities, and even uh, violate international laws. In contrast, ethic behavior and responsibility build trust, loyalty, and long-term success. What is the ethics international business? Ethics refers to a set of moral principles or values that guide behavior. In business, it's about how companies decide what is right and wrong, fair or unfair, just or unjust. In international settings, ethics become more complex due to cultural, legal, and economic difference across countries. A practice considered acceptable in one country might be seen as untactical in another. For example, in some countries, offering small gift to government official is seen as gesture of respect. In other, this is same practice in considered bribery and is strictly prohibited. So, how do you companies negat, navigation this? Multinational corporation must develop global code of ethics guidelines that apply regardless of location. They must also train employees to make ethical decisions even under local pressure. And um, let's break down somehow the most common ethical challenge international firms face, and corruption and bribery. Bribery. Corruption is a major issue in many countries, and bribery may seem like the only way to get things done. However, laws like the US Virgin Corrupt Practices Act out FGPA and the UK Bribery Act make it illegal for companies to engage in such behavior, no matter where they operate. Companies that get caught may face heavy fines, legal action, and reputation loss. In the example, Sims once paid over $1 billion in penalties for corruption cases across multiple countries. And uh, labor rights labor rights violation. Some international firms subtract work to factories in countries with low wage, long hours, and unsafe conditions. In some extreme cases, even child labor is used. Ethical companies respond by auditing suppliers, signing codes of conduct, paying living wages, and ensuring workplace safety. In the example, Apple faced criticism about working conditions in its supply chain, leading it into improved monitoring and labor policies. And uh, environmental negligence. Some developing countries have weak environment regulations, tempting companies to cut corners. Bodies can lead to environmental discussions such as pollution, deforestation of or toxic waste spills. Responsible companies take the initiative to use eco-friendly materials, reduce emissions, minimize water usage, properly dispose of waste. Example, Coca-Cola has working to reduce in water footprint in India and elsewhere. And in cultural incentively, advertising, product design, or leadership styles may often local values, if not properly researched. For instance, image, color, or gesture may carry different meaning across cultures. Companies should invest in cultural training and local consultation to avoid offenses. In example, major fashion brand once released a culturally incentive and in China, causing public backlash and market loss. And corporate social responsibility atau CSR in global business. CSR refers to company efforts to contribute positively to society and the environment by just making profit. Uh, the three main dimensions of CSR are um, one, economic economic responsibility. Operate efficiently and ethically to generate profit, but not at the cost of others. Create jobs, pay fair tax, and contribute to national development. Uh, Two, social responsibility. Support communities through education, health, and local programs. Respect diversity, promote gender equality, and support inclusive growth. Environmental responsibility. Minimize negative impact on nature through sustainability, green energy, and carbon reduction. Good CSR is not making a good CSR is not marketing trick. It must be genuinely transparent and consistent. And why ethics and CSR matter in global business? Hmm. Here, why this topic is crucial. Number one, enhance corporate image. Customers prefer ethical brands. Companies that ignore ethics risk losing trust, especially in the age of social media. Two, reduces legal risks. Following global ethics products, business firm legal action, fitness, and brands. Three, attracts top talent. Young professionals want to work for organizations that align with their values. And five, appeal to investor. Investor USESA are investment social governance rating to evaluate companies' ethical business attract more funding. Six, improves long-term sustainability. Unethical shortcuts may boost short-term profit, but damage long-term growth and survival. 5. Case example uh, uh, Unilever is multinational consumer goods company that puts CSR at the core of the business model. Their sustainability living plan includes providing health for 1 billion people, halving the environmental impact of their products, enchant livelihoods for small suppliers and farmers. As a result, Unilever enjoys strong global reputation and market performance, even developing markets. Oh, okay. In conclusion, ethics and social responsibility are not optional. In international business, they are essential. Multinational firms must go beyond local laws and consider the global impact or their actions. By respecting people, protecting the environmental, and acting with integrity, international business can create real value for themselves and the world. Okay, thank you for watching and stay ethical out your business adventure. Bye, guys.